Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP has got a beautiful close above a weekly 20, which is what I wanted to see, and this key level resistance just there. So I know a lot of people like to use the wicks, but I like to use the candles, the bodies of the candles. Okay, so you can see just there, you close there. Okay, so you open there and you close there, and you run into that resistance just there. And like I said to you, coiling up. Look at the apex. Okay, you're coiling up, and if you start to break out and you close above, that's really bullish. Okay, so we broke out, and we're closing above this key level resistance just there. So that's actually a higher high for me just there, because we've got the low on the weekly, we've got a high, and right now you retrace to this low and you create this high low structure, but right now you come back up and you've actually closed here, which is retaining this market bullish structure. This is bullish market structure. Okay, this is an uptrend basically, and you're getting above DMAs as well, which is really nice. So you know, XRP is on the cusp of some kind of breakout here. It's all about Bitcoin. If Bitcoin behaves and doesn't come in for that sort of dead cat bounce and rolls, then you are looking at some kind of explosive break here. You've come up in a one wave, a two, and right now you're looking at explosive three, you know, that could go anywhere. Because like I said to you, if you remember just here, I said to you, potentially this is your final wave down, and right now this is your low, because just here there was a 5 wave count. Look at this. You come down in 1, you come up in a 2, you came down a big 3. Look at the 3. Okay, 3 is usually the most powerful, and then you come up in a 4, and then you final rollover just a capitulation of wave 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Then what happened was you came up in another 5 waves. Look, you got your 1, then you got your 2 drawback, which is a higher low, and then you got your big 3. Look at your big 3. Okay, again the third wave is the most powerful. Then you come back just there in a 4, and then you've had your final 5th wave, a slightly high push, and then at that point you start to come back down. Okay, and just here you've come down in 5 waves. You got your 1, you got your 2, and then look again, your big 3. Look at the capitulation just there. Look at that big candle, your 3rd wave down, and then you've come up in a 4, and then your final 5th wave down. Okay, look at that, just a slightly high lower low than that, and that was a slightly higher high than that. Okay, so you've come down at 5th wave. So there is a potential right now that we've put in this 1, and we've come back in that 2, and right now this is a formation of 3. Now look, your 3rd wave there was really powerful, your 3rd wave there was really powerful, and your 3rd wave there was really powerful. So if right now you're reversing the trend and you've bottomed out in a high low structure from these last year lows, then this is extremely bullish, and you are looking at some kind of big 3rd wave push here for XRP that could absolutely go anywhere. Okay, you could instantly just retrace to that high in a big monster 3rd wave, breaking bullish, where you're coming for a 4th wave, and then you go for, you know, your final 5th wave there. Who knows? But we are looking at some kind of big push here on this 3rd wave potentially right now for XRP. So yeah, it's looking pretty tasty, and one thing we're doing is getting a high structure on the weekly. We're closing above that killer resistance, we're closing above the weekly 20 EMA as well. So technically for me right now, I'm going to say Bitcoin, I do apologize. Technically for me right now, XRP is looking relatively explosive. Now obviously you're going to run into resistance and you're going to fall back to support. This is how it all works. I've taught you that. Okay, and you ride the waves. But right now, if this starts to break out, wow, you know, I don't know where it's going to go. I wish I could conclusively say, you know, you're going to run into the 1272, you're going to run into the 1414, you're going to run into that, you're going to run into the 250. Who knows? You might just start to melt faces and go parabolic here. Who knows? Because this is the sort of thing that XRP can do. I mean, look at that big candle there. Look at that big candle there. Look at this big candle here. Look at that big candle here. When it starts to break, it really does go some. Okay, so all eyes on XRP. Now my minimal target for you, I've gone through this with you before, is not that. I don't know why that's there, I do apologize, but my absolute minimal target for you is the 1618 fib here off this low, because you know, if you start to come up right now and you take out that high at 199, if you start to break out that high, for me your absolute minimal target of the next impulsive wave here for XRP is around about $4.79, I believe it is on this chart just there. Do you see that? And that would be a key level resistance moving forward for XRP, because look, you've come up impulsively, correctively, and you're coiling up here, coiling up, and you're looking for this explosive break to come all the way to the 1618 fib just there. That's a minimal target, and you know, who knows what happens there, because at that point you're breaking out the all-time high for XRP. So that's basically a quick little update for you on XRP. It's looking tasty, it's looking bullish, isn't it, for the rest of the week? Keep an eye on it. Okay, back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for your support, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.